How to exchange ERC20 tokens on Trust Wallet. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can exchange ERC20 tokens on Trust Wallet. To do so, first of all, open your Trust Wallet application on your mobile device and here make sure you are logged into your account. Once you access your Trust Wallet, you will land on this home screen. Here you'll be able to see the swap button right next to the home button at the bottom. Tap on this option and this will take you to this page. Here at the top you'll be able to see swap tab. Tap on the swap and once you are on the swap page, here now you will need to choose the asset you want to swap from and swap to. Here tap on the asset in the from section and from here you will need to find ERC20. Tap on the search bar and type in ERC20 there. Now search for it. Once you find this ERC20 token, you'll need to tap on it to select it. Once selected, now you will need to select the token you wish to acquire. Tap on the asset from the to section and here now select the asset that you would like to swap to, whether you want to swap to ETH or USDT. You can also tap on the search bar at the top and there search for the asset. Once you find the asset, now select it and after doing that, now you will need to input the amount of token you wish to swap. Tap at the right side of this token and now enter the amount. Once you enter the amount at the bottom, you will be able to see the amount of asset that you are going to receive. Make sure to have enough ERC20 tokens on your wallet. After that, you will need to preview and review all the transaction details including fees and estimated counts. Once everything looks correct, you can tap on the Confirm Swap button to finalize the transaction. Trust Wallet will process your swap directly within the app without needing third-party exchanges. You will need to ensure that your Trust Wallet is up to date to access all the features seamlessly. Once you have done that, you will be able to swap your ERC20 tokens on Trust Wallet. So by following the steps, you can easily exchange ERC20 tokens within Trust Wallet. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.